Custom controls, master cylinders, clutch, modified frame, turbo obviously, throttle body, bigger injectors, fueling stud kits, fueling push rods, fueling cam support plate and oil pump, custom forward controls, Barnett clutch on the other side, Legend suspension in the back, custom wheels obviously, brake rotors, chain drive. That's it in a nutshell.
Here it is, 2019 Harley-Davidson Breakout with the Trask turbo on the other side. We got the front fender today. The headlights needs to have the shroud put on it, but otherwise we got the tank on it. Here's a better look on it. It's on the ground. We had started it last week. We got the foam in for the seat going to be going in. The chain will be going on later on this week. We got the license plate frame mounted, and then we routed that wire through the frame yesterday. So this thing is almost ready to go. It is on an air lift suspension, so it's pretty well tight underneath that tire. Just giving you a shot of what it looks like on the ground here. There's the awesome deal there. Here's a better look at the exhaust. We got the side cover on there. We put those on yesterday. We got the wiring all complete. Here's a look at the see-through turbo here. And then we got the turbo, the wastegate down there. Turbo with a little air cleaner here. This bike is coming together. Gas tank's on. It is off the hook, man. 0 miles on this 2019 Harley-Davidson Breakout. Completed by MGS Performance. I'll leave the link down in the description. Just an awesome piece of machinery. Can't wait till it goes on to the dyno, and I'll have updates with that. Thanks for watching, you guys. Thanks for supporting my channel. We've hit 400 subscribers. Everybody keep on subscribing to my channel, and we'll make our goal eventually to help those disabled veterans and people that got hurt on the track. Have a great weekend. Enjoy this beautiful weather. Be safe out there. Wear your helmets. And we'll see you at the track soon. God bless.